In this video, we are going to learn the transformation W is equal to 1 by Z. W is equal to 1 by Z. We know W is equal to U plus IV and Z is equal to X plus IY. So I take, instead of W, I take U plus IV and 1 by Z. 1 by Z is X plus IY. Now just you interchange the term X plus IY, take that to the LHS, U plus IV to the RHS. So we get X plus IY comes to the numerator. X plus IY is equal to 1 by U plus IV. Now next step, taking the conjugate. To eliminate this I, take the conjugate U minus IV. Okay, you multiply and divide by U minus IV in the RHS. Now 1 into U minus IV, U minus IV. U plus IV into U minus IV, A plus B into A minus B. We know A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square means U square, B square means IB the whole square. Now in this step, when you take the square, I square is minus 1. Okay, I square is minus 1. So you can substitute minus 1, minus into minus plus b square, because squaring I square b square, but I square is minus 1. So minus into minus plus b square. Now split the term. First term is u right here. First term is u. U by denominator minus I into b by denominator. So splitting the terms we get, okay, splitting the terms we get u by u square plus b square minus I v by u square plus v square. Now equating real and imaginary part. Okay, equating real and imaginary part. X is equal to u by u square plus v square. Imaginary part is the term with I. So no need to take I, just you take this y. Take y. Y is equal to, you have to take the negative sign also. Okay, term together with I in the RHS is, with I you have minus v by u square plus v square. So minus v by u square plus v square. So now in the problem session we are going to use these values, okay, x and y, while doing problems using the transformation 1 by w square. Okay, we will learn a problem. Find the image of the straight line x is equal to a. So we are going to find the image of the straight line x is equal to a. Okay, x is equal to a, where a is not equal to 0. Under the transformation, w is equal to 1 by z. Given w is equal to 1 by z. So first of all, you should note down what is the transformation given. So if according to the transformation, we have to continue with the question. So just now we derived, if w is equal to 1 by z, just now we derived x is equal to u by u square plus v square, y is equal to minus v by u square plus v square. Okay, now let us consider, we have to find the image of the straight line x is equal to a. Okay, we have to find the image of x is equal to a. So given x is equal to a, now what is x here? X is u by u square plus v square, right? X is, so we have x is u by u square plus v square. So let us substitute it instead of x. So instead of x, I take u by u square plus v square. Then RHS we have a. Now cross multiplying, u is equal to a into u square plus v square. Next step is here. We get u is equal to cross multiplying a into u square plus v square. Now you can take this u to the RHS. You take this u to the RHS. So a into u square plus v square. This plus u, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus u. A into u square plus v square minus u is equal to 0. Now dividing by a. U square plus v square minus u by a is equal to 0. So when you divide by a, what happens? You have to take divided by a for each term. Here also divided by a, here also divided by a. So now this a and a will be eliminated, right? This a and a will be eliminated. You get u square plus v square minus, here you get u by a is equal to 0. So we are doing we are dividing this to bring it in the general form. Okay, you see here what is general form of a circle. We have general form of the circle u square plus v square plus 2gu plus 2fv plus c is equal to 0. So here u square plus v square, okay, dividing by a the first two terms u square plus v square, we get u square plus v square. So we can compare this equation with the general form of circle u square plus v square. Then third term is u by a. Okay, here you have u, here also you have u. Now what is coefficient of u? Comparing with the general form, what is the coefficient? So you have to note down these things. Okay, and these things you can note down while writing in the examination. It's not needed to write all these things, but it's a necessary thing. Okay, you can write the required thing. So you need the general form of the circle, and you write this. And here what is the center of the circle? When the general form is given like this, center of the circle is given by minus g comma minus f. Okay, you have g and f in this equation. You have to find a g and f, and center is given by minus g comma minus f. Radius is given by square root of g square plus f square minus c. C is the constant term in the equation. So radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. And these are the equation to find g, f and c. G is equal to 1 by 2 coefficient of u, f is equal to 1 by 2 coefficient of v, c is equal to constant term. That is from this. Okay, g you have to divide by 2, f also you have to divide by 2, but you are taking coefficient of v, then the other one is c is the constant term. So here, so let us find g, f and c. Okay, g is equal to half into, here we have g is equal to half into coefficient of u, half into coefficient of u. What is coefficient of u here? This is the final equation, right? This is the final equation. Coefficient of u is minus 1 by a, minus 1 by a. So half into coefficient of u minus 1 by a, that is minus 2 into a, 2a, minus 1 by 2a. Then f is given by coefficient of half into coefficient of v. Half into coefficient of v is half into coefficient of v. Is there v term? You have v square term, no v. So we can consider as 0 v. There is no v term in this equation. So 0 v. So coefficient of v is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0, it is 0. Also c is the constant term in the equation. Is there any constant term? Equation is in terms of u and v. U term, u square term, v square term, u term. There is no constant term. Constant term is also taken as 0. So c is equal to 0. So now let us write the center and radius. Okay, we will write the center and radius of the given. So here center is given by minus g comma minus f. That is minus, what is g value? G value is minus 1 by 2a. Okay, g is equal to minus 1 by 2a. So instead of g, I take minus 1 by 2a. F value is 0. So comma 0. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2a comma 0. So this is our center of the circle. Now radius, we have the equation. Radius is given by square root of g square plus f square minus c. That is square root of g square means you have g value, square it, g square, minus will become plus 1 by 4a square. 1 by 4a square. G square means 1 by 4a square plus f value is 0, c value is 0. So now 1 by root of 1 by 4a square is equal to 1 by 2a. What is square root of the square root of 1 is 1 itself. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a square is a. So radius is 1 by 2a. So image is image of. So what's our conclusion? Image of x is equal to a. So we can write the conclusion like this. Image of x is equal to a in z plane. So we know x, y always it's a plane, that is z plane we consider. Whenever you take x and y, z is equal to x plus iy, right? X equal to a in z plane is a circle with center. The final equation is a circle, right? We derived a circle. And what about the center of the circle? Center is 1 by 2a comma 0. So with center 1 by 2a comma 0 and radius is, we have the radius of the circle as 1 by 2a. So we write and radius 1 by 2a in w plane. So we write the conclusion like this: image of x is equal to a in z plane is the circle with a center 1 by 2a and radius 1 by 2a in the w plane. So we can draw the image also. So here this is the image. Okay, image means we can represent it in figure like this, that is given straight line x is equal to a. So you can draw x is equal to a in z plane like this. So this first plane is z plane. Z plane means always we take x and y, x axis, y axis, and x is equal to a means x axis, this is the point a. Then you can draw a straight line, x is equal to a. Okay, this is a straight line that is given. So while transforming to w plane, okay, we are transforming it to w plane, and the transformation taken is w is equal to 1 by z. Using this transformation, okay, when we take some values for z, what about the w value? So that's what we did, transforming this using the transformation w is equal to 1 by z. In w plane we get a circle. Okay, we get a circle. And what about the center of the circle? Center of the circle is 1 by 2a comma 0. So this center is this distance is 1 by 2a. So this point is 1 by 2a comma 0. Also radius of the circle is 1 by 2a. So we can plot this distance, that is from center to the circumference, it is 1 by 2a. So this is the graphical representation. So this gives the solution, that is the image of the given straight line using the transformation w is equal to 1 by z.